All right. Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us. Today, our group will be presenting in a marketing case study focused on Sephora and their AR beauty experience. So this case explores how Sephora uses augmented reality to enhance product discovery, customer engagement, and online to offline shopping. So my name is Vanessa, and this project was completed by myself, Therese, Jennifer, Sana, Kassar for DEI 614. So we're super excited to take you through our analysis and our strategic recommendations. All right, so to start us off, this project examines Sephora's gamified AR Snapchat lens, which originally launched during Ramadan in 2020. So this campaign blended beauty discovery with interactive gaming, where users could catch virtual products, try makeup looks, and redeem a voucher at the end. So the results were extremely strong, including a 15-point lift in ad awareness, a 9-point lift in purchase intent, and a 2.39 times return on investment. So our goal was to unpack why this campaign worked so well and then build a digital-first marketing plan that could be brought into a North American lens, particularly for digital active customers in Toronto. So here's what we'll be covering today. So we'll begin with our situational analysis and customer analysis, which include the main tools we use to understand Sephora's market position. And then from there, we'll walk through our position product, our digital smart goals, our distribution strategy, the psychological tactics that support these goals, and our cross-platform social media plan. We'll then outline a realistic timeline for the campaign and close off with a measurement plan to determine whether our strategy would actually be successful.
Okay, so for situational analysis, we used SWOT framework to evaluate Sephora's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Sephora's main strengths include its strong global brand recognition, its leadership in beauty tech, and its ability to control both digital and in-store experience. The AR lens also generated clear results, including 5% of all Ramadan web transactions, showing that it can help drive real sales. Weaknesses include the campaign's dependency on Snapchat short-term engagement pattern and the lack of full data control. Externally, rising AR adoption and culture or seasonal campaign result major opportunities. At the same time, competitors like MAC and NYX are integrating AR, increasing the threat of limitation. Overall, the situational analysis shows that Sephora is well positioned to expand AR beyond a one-time activation into a more permanent across all platforms experience. So for the customer analysis, we examined global and regional trends related to augmented reality. Google Trends shows that while awarenesses of augmented reality stay high, ranging between 75 and 90 over 5 years, search interest in virtual makeup is extremely low. This indicates a market gap where people know AR exists but don't yet associate it with beauty shopping. We also reviewed social behavior among Gen Z and millennials who make up Sephora's core digital audience. This demographics checks social app multiple times a day, relies heavily on creators for beauty inspiration, and seek interactive, personalized brand experiences. These insights help us identify a target persona who would benefit from improved AR awarenesses and education.
Okay, so our audience. Our target audience is represented by our persona, Hannah Park, a 22-year-old professional living in downtown Toronto. Hannah is digitally immersed, checks Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok for beauty inspiration, and enjoys trying new looks, but often feels overwhelmed by the number of choices online. Her main pain point includes shade matchings, uncertainty, and not having enough time to test all the products in the store. She wants convenience, personalization, and realistic AR experiences that help her feel confident in her purchases. This makes her an ideal user for an expanded AR system that supports both discovery and decision making. About our SMART goals, based on our research and target audience, we developed two SMART digital marketing goals. Goal one focuses on increasing AR engagement. We aim to boost AR lens interaction by 25% and increase swipe ups to Sephora.com by 10% within 3 months. This builds on the proven results of the original campaign, which already achieved strong lifts in awareness and intention. Goal 2 focuses on loyalty and conversion using retargeting ads on Snapchat and Instagram. Our goal is to increase Beauty Insider signups by 15% and online purchases from AR-driven traffic by 8% within 6 months. This moves users further down the funnel from exploration to commitment and supports Sephora's long-term retention strategy.
To bring this AR experience into the Canadian market, we identified two distribution channels. The first channel is Sephora.com, which is one of the most visited beauty websites globally and generated $3.4 billion in sales in 2024. Integrating a permanent AR hub on the website gives Sephora greater data control, reduces reliance on Snapchat, and allows users to explore looks directly while shopping. The second channel is in AR beauty mirrors. AR mirrors have been shown to increase conversions by up to 90%, reduce product returns by as much as 31%, and keep shoppers engaged for over twice as long compared to traditional displays. These mirrors also let customers save looks to their apps via QR codes, creating a direct connection between the store environment and Sephora's digital ecosystem. To support our SMART goals, we selected two psychological tactics, one for each goal. For our engagement goal, we're using gamification. This mirrors the success of the original Ramadan campaign, where interactive challenges kept users coming back. Gamification increases time spent with the AR experience and encourages users to share content socially. For our conversion goal, we're using personalization. AI-driven shade matching and tailored product recommendations help reduce design fatigue and address our persona's biggest pain point. Personalized AR recommendations also tap into Sephora's strong Beauty Insider ecosystem, which increases repeat purchases over time.
Our social media plan focuses on platforms where beauty discovery is the strongest. So on Instagram, we would use AR filters, reels, and micro influencers to showcase different looks. While on Snapchat, we would promote a refreshed, gamified AR lens with weekly challenges and exclusive promo codes. On TikTok, we would launch a hashtag challenge called hashtag #MySephoraFilter to encourage user-generated content. On YouTube, Sephora can release a short series explaining how the AR technology world works while highlighting inclusivity. And lastly, Pinterest and Facebook would use a retargeting and driving app downloads. And our main KPIs include impressions, UGC volume, time spent in the AR environment, Beauty Insider signups, and AR-driven add to cart behavior. We also designed a timeline that aligns with beauty purchasing habits and seasonal demand. Our campaign launches in May, so it's a slower beauty season, and this gives Sephora 6 months to build awareness and engagement. Between June and September, we run influencer campaigns, paid ads, and retargeting to build momentum. And our peak activation period is October through December, when both Google Trends and Sephora app downloads show massive spikes in beauty interest and purchasing. After December, we conduct our final performance review and analyze long-term retention metrics like repeat visits and lifetime value.
All right, so to conclude, our campaign builds on Sephora's existing AR success by expanding it into a long-term omni-channel experience that drives awareness, personalization, loyalty, and conversion. If our KPIs show increases in AR engagement, beauty insider signups, conversion rates, and time spent on Sephora's platforms, we believe this plan would be totally successful. So given the strong results of the original campaign and the rising demand for interactive beauty technology, our strategy has strong potential for long-term adoption and growth. Thank you for listening.